everyone. It's day 21 to Jenny's countdown to Christmas. So let's take a look at what's in bag 21. Okay, so I'm pretty sure this is a sewing tool, maybe scissors. Someone suggested maybe a seam ripper. That's maybe a good guess too. It's definitely a tool of some sort though. So let's see what it is. Okay, so this is really cute. It is a pair of scissors. Now let's see what it looks like. Oh, it's gnomes on it, I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure that's gnomes. So it's a pair of scissors and a 60-inch tape measure. So it was a tool. That's what was throwing me off, was the round object here. And so it felt like scissors in there, but I wasn't sure because of that. And that's because it's a tape measure. Definitely comes in handy. I have so many scissors, and I have a really cute tape measure that came in one of my other subscription boxes. So I don't need another one like this. I mean, of course you can always lose stuff and stuff can run off, but this is really cute and it definitely will come in handy. It's just not anything that I need right now. So I think this will probably go into my giveaway pile that's going to be coming up. I'm trying to gather everything that I want to put in it. Definitely going to have that vinyl that came the other day for the wall display. The quilting is my happy place, I think it said on it. So this will probably go with that. And it's not that I don't like it. It's just not something I need, and I'm trying to get rid of some of the clutter I have going on. So super cute. Okay, so yesterday we got the note cards, and there are some note cards on the Missouri Stars Quilt Company site. I did link those in the description. So there are note cards there, and they're $12. They're not anywhere near as beautiful as the note cards that we got yesterday. Those are gorgeous, but they are the same amount, and they are quilt related note cards. So I think a similar style. $12 was what they are listed at. So that brings the value up to $192.75 for this box. I think that is pretty incredible. Great value. Okay, so tomorrow, day 22. I'm pretty sure this is another charm pack. Pretty darn sure. It's definitely square, a little squishy with a hard cardboard on one side, just how charm packs are normally packaged. So I'm really excited about this. I don't know if I hope that it's Christmas print or another print, just because we're getting really close to Christmas now. I'm excited that it's fabric either way, because that might mean we're getting another pattern at some point, which is another project to do. So the only thing I'm hoping is that there's not gnomes on on the fabric. And you know, like I said, because there's gnomes here and then in another project. So I'm getting gnomed out, but I'm excited for fabric either way. Even if there's gnomes on it, I'll make it as a gift for somebody else. So yeah, so day 22 tomorrow. I can't believe it. That will mean there are only 3 more days left after that. We're getting so close to Christmas. I hope you have all your shopping done and everything you need to get done. And any projects that you need to wrap up are getting there. I know a few of you said you had some projects that you're trying to get done still. I feel like that always happens, that you come up with one more person you'd love to make something for getting near Christmas. So yeah, we're getting near the end. I'm so bummed out because this has been so much fun and I've got so many great stuff, but I am excited to see what are in the next few bags. So you guys, again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.